Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your extreme weather outlook. And we're still talking about the tropics with Yvette and Earl continuing in both the Pacific and also the Atlantic Basin. But spotty severe weather concerns taking us into the weekend with some flooding and also some heat. So here's a look at Tropical Storm Yvette from early Thursday morning, drifting west in the East Pacific. It looks like it'll become a hurricane at some point here tomorrow, and then it will drift closer to the Hawaiian Islands. But at this point, it is taking more of a northerly track. And as we head over to Tropical Storm Earl, it was a hurricane from early this morning as it made landfall with Belize. You can see how quickly this is diminishing. Of course, the land tends to rip apart tropical systems, and you can see that it will continue to drift west, maybe in the southern portions of the Bay of Campeche, but some very heavy rain now expected over southern portions of Mexico, and then eventually here over the weekend into central Mexico. Speaking of heavy rain, how about this in Richfield, Minnesota? Traffic snarled there because of very heavy rain early this morning. Grand Forks had a record amount of rain on Wednesday at 1.92, and Blacksburg, Virginia at 95/100ths of an inch. Strong to severe thunderstorms yesterday with a lot of wind and hail, even some tornado reports in northern portions of North Dakota. There's your severe threat today. It's a slight risk from Iowa to Minnesota to Wisconsin to the UP, Michigan. Large hail and damaging winds redeveloping into the afternoon, and then by tomorrow things are much quieter. And then on Saturday, the threat shifting into the northeast with a marginal threat at this point. Very heavy rain is expected in the southwest and the southeast. And how about this? Record highs on Wednesday reaching triple digits in Torrington, Wyoming and Hanford, California, up to 103. Salt Lake City has seen now 21 consecutive 95 degrees or better. It is a new record. The previous was 20, sit back in the 60s there. Still dealing with some very warm conditions in the central U.S. Take a look at Kansas City, Missouri today, where the heat index will be up to 106, and tomorrow up to 109 in Memphis.